So the second thing that I'd like you to do before next class, so we don't have to take another full class, and we may have to anyway with all the different things we've got to do to get things up and running, is something that is much better done at home because I can't have 18 of you downloading 9 gigabytes all at the same time. So go to Unity Hub, and you are going to get the latest version of Unity. I've already got it here. And the one thing that I said in the last video that I'm just publishing right now was don't do any of the Unity uninstalls. And actually, why not? So I'm not going to do this because I do use these older versions, but you can take all of the Unities that you now have, because nobody yet has this one, 19.4.19, and uninstall. So go right across. If you have 2 or 1 or more, you can uninstall. And will I uninstall all this? Yeah, I might as well. Let's just see how long it takes. And actually, the fact that it is, it is taking a while shows you that this is something you don't just want to go to Granite Perspective and right-click and trash. And by the way, I don't know how long this is going to take, but I won't keep the video too long. But LTS, by the way, I hovered over it, long-term support. In a nutshell, there are a whole bunch of different versions of Unity, but every once in a while they'll come up with one per year usually, that is their long-term support one that they will promise to update every couple of weeks and then every month or so. And I'll fast forward. Okay, I'll fast forward through all this until this is uninstalled. And just as I got ready to sit down, it's finished. Is that it? Yeah, okay. So you can do that to all of them. Some of them, if they're older, don't allow you to uninstall them. They just say remove from hub. So that's where we can clean things up a little bit altogether next class. But anyway, so the first thing is, if you feel comfortable, uninstall and remove all of these older versions. And then you're going to go, we're from installs. Hopefully you saw that part, that we're down here in installs. And you're going to add the one that they most recommend right now, which is this one, the long-term supported 0.4.19. A lot of you have 0.13, I think, so 0.19. And that's it, except we got to make sure that as we go through this, we get Android support, and it's right there. I have it selected from last time. We need both of those, so make sure that that is selected. And I suppose you're welcome to other languages if you want them, but that's it. So next, and actually I want to read how much room, 13 gigabytes, okay? So it'll tell you how much space you have on your hard drive, which is hopefully over 20. Mine's just barely, but how much is going to be required. So next, I mean, this you'd figure out on your own, but just to make sure. And let her go, okay? And that'll take quite a while. But again, better done at home than everybody trying to do it in class. It won't take that long to download, but it'll take a while to install. So anyway, that's it. Please, if you can, get this latest recommended version of Unity before next class.